Which among the following trait was not used by Mendel in his classic experiments on pea plants? In his classic experiments on pea plants, Gregor Mendel studied 7 traits. They are the plant height, tall versus short, flower position, axial versus terminal, the flower color, purple versus white, pod color, green versus yellow, the pod shape, that is inflated versus constricted, the seed color, that is yellow versus green, seed shape, that is round versus wrinkled. So the traits Mendel focused on were carefully chosen for their clear dichotomous variation, that means 2 distinct forms that made the patterns of inheritance easier to analyze. And he did not specifically use the pod length as a central trait for his laws of inheritance. Whereas option A, flower position, B, seed color, and seed shape were used by Mendel in his experiments on pea plant. So that means the correct answer is option C, pod length.